Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to teach you how you can do keyword research for your YouTube videos. There are lots of free keyword research tools available on the internet. Today I am going to one of the most used by all time in the free keyword research tool to make YouTube videos or write blog posts. First of all, you have to open any internet browser and search keyword research tool. If you scroll it, you will find lots of tools here. Now you have to scroll it and find and search this keyword tool. You will find this keywordtool.io. Open this website, keyword tool, Google Keyword Planner. You can find long tail keywords as well as short keywords from this website. You can do keyword research for multiple social media platforms, search engine, video platform and more. You can see here there are lists of social platforms like Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, App Store, Play Store, Instagram and many other social platforms. For now, if you are going to do keyword research for your YouTube video, then just click on this YouTube. Now write your main keyword. For example, I am making this video for YouTube keyword research tool, so I will type keyword research tool for YouTube. You can see here you will find tons of keyword list here. If you purchase the pro version of this tool, then you will get this search volume, trend, average CPC, competition, etc. But for the free version, you will just get this keyword and this is sufficient for now. You can see here best keyword research tool for YouTube take on online. This is long tail keyword and you have to easy to compete on this long tail keyword. And other keyword are here: keyword research tool for YouTube, keyword research tool for YouTube free, best keyword research tool for YouTube. You can choose some of the from this top list because this top list keyword has the more search volume. So you can choose this best free keyword research tool since it's on the top 4 and also have long tail keyword. You can just copy it from here. Now in today's video I taught you how you can do keyword research for your YouTube video. In next video we will learn about how you can do keyword research for your blog or website. Thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.